Hey guys, welcome to this video. And today we're going to keep talking about Facebook ads. But what we are going to talk today is like what are some some tips and tricks that you can use in order to create your ad. Now remember that when you're creating an ad on Facebook, people are not looking for ads on Facebook. One of the characteristics of the features of Facebook is that people go into Facebook and they just want to relax. They just want to see what happens with your friends. They want to see videos. They want to see photos, but they are not actually looking for an ad for a specific product, right? So you need to create an ad. You need to create an ad that when people are scrolling down, they are watching videos, they are watching photos, they are seeing everything, and they say, "Oh, this is interesting." You need to create an ad that captures their attention, makes them stop scrolling, and makes them click, right? So one tip or one suggestion I can give you is use the cut, alcohol, and band-aid technique. And what this means is that you are going to create an ad. Let's say you are creating a video or you are creating a copy, like the things that go, like the thing that go up on the upper part of the ad. And the first thing you want to do with this technique is remind them of the problem, right? Or even create them a problem. Not creating because you are not creating a problem, but you are reminding them or make them know that they have a problem. So let's say you have someone that is overweight, and what you want to do is that you want to remind them why that is a problem, why they don't feel good about it. So you are going to start saying, "Hey, do you feel bad when do you feel that you are not healthy? Do you feel that maybe you feel bad because people are looking bad at you, etc." You need to have your avatar. You need to have what is the main problem that makes them feel bad, but you need to remind them about that, and that's called call, right? Then you apply alcohol, which is basically like taking them, reminding them what are the struggles for them to change that, right? So if someone overweight, you told him, "Hey, do you feel bad with your body?" Um, then I'm going to go and tell him, "Hey, when you try to lose weight, it's difficult because there are a lot of people that want to offer you some really nice foods, and it's difficult for you to stop eating, and it's difficult for you to make exercise, etc., etc., etc." Right? So you like add alcohol, which is that you start telling them, you remind them of the problem, you start telling them that it's difficult to overcoming or the problems they have had overcoming it to solve the problem, and then you put the band, like you solve the solution. So do you want, do you have overweight? Do you feel bad with your body? It's going to be difficult for you to get over it by yourself because you have some eating habits, you have these problems with making exercise, you don't know the diet, right? So I created this free webinar, or I created this very extremely cheap product, this course to help you, or this test, etc., to help you achieve your goals and to help you know the information you need in order to change that problem, right? That is a technique that you can use. It's very powerful. You should also use images or videos. If you use videos, we're going to speak about that in a later video, but if you use videos, you should use videos with a good thumbnail. The thumbnail is like the first image people see when you show them a video, when they see a video, right? So the thumbnail has to be something really, really attractive, really, really interesting for them, something they can actually engage and make them click on the video, right? Now, remember that you are always telling a story, you are always using a hook to grab the attention, and you are always making an offer. So the hook, in this case, in the case I give you, will be the best program the information you need in order to lose weight, right? That can be the hook. Then you can tell a story. So the story would be like, "Hey, do you feel bad with your body? It's difficult. You have tried, and you cannot lose weight, and you are exhausted about it." And then the offer says, so then you say, "Hey, I'm going to give you this free class in order for you to be able to change this," right? You will always, in each step, in the ad, in the image you send, in the funnel you will always use a hook, a story, and an offer, right? The offer is going to be a call to action. Now, also in the ads, you want the ad to have a call to action. So you want at the end of the ad, if you're using a video, or at the end of the copy, if you're using text, you want to say, "Hey, click here, go into it, and let's have these 3 clicks. Click here, go into it, and check the product. Click here, go into it, and something, right? Register whatever action you want. It can be just giving you a like, it can be going to see your product, it can be register for a webinar, it can be anything, whatever action do you want. But you want to do that call to action at the end of the ad, and you want to remind people what they have to do next in order to keep going in the process. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have found value in this video. See you tomorrow.